Hello and welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. I am Missy. So I'm just going to share a day in the life of a homebody. What I do in a day, maybe 2 days, maybe we'll spread it over 2 days of just being at home, being with my family, just everyday life. I promise to share the good, the bad, and the ugly on my channel and normalize romanticizing everyday life. That you don't have to have this big grand thing happening all the time to have a simple life that's enjoyable and wonderful all at the same time. So welcome to my channel, cozy in, get your blanket, get something good to drink, and let's dive in to these couple days in my life and see what life brings about.
Here, Dobie.
So if you are new here, because I see I have quite a few new subscribers, I thought I would tell you a little bit about myself. But before I do, I just want to thank you all for subscribing. I am so happy that you are here. And to my OGs, you know I love you girls. But I am a 40-something living on the Jersey Shore in a little apartment with her husband and her daughter and her fur face, Dozer, who you will see all throughout this video. And we are just everyday people. My husband is a trucker. I'm a social media influencer. And we're raising our daughter to be the best person that she can be. And we just live life to the fullest, to the best that we can. And we enjoy the simple things of life. For me, it really truly is all about the simplicity of life. Taking a minute to just embrace those small things. When the snow falls, when sunshine comes, feeding birds, getting out to walk, whatever the case may be, it's the small things in life that make life grand. And I just wanted to let you know that's basically what my channel's about. Just, romanticizing everyday life, throwing in some food recipes and homemaking and just being me. But I thank you so much for taking an interest in my life and hitting that subscribe button and becoming a new subscriber. I appreciate you. Dozer! Dozer! He says, what are you doing? Even in the winter, we got to keep his window down because he's definitely a window dog. So we blast the heat, and he gets to stick his head out the window. Walking. It's a pretty mild day, so we're walking. Walking. See, I told you, he really had to go. Uh-oh. There's no bags. There's no bags. What you doing? What you doing? Dodo, what are you doing? Do you like the snow? Does it like the snow? No, does it like the snow? Look at these big piles of snow. It's a snow day. Goofy. You playing in the snow? You should be the snow dog. The little butt wiggles get me every time. The little butt wiggles. He's got to pee on every little snowdrift. Snow day. It's a snow day. Some winter storm. We were supposed to get a lot more, but what we did get was a lot. We were supposed to get like almost 6 inches. I think maybe we have 4. Still a lot of snow though.